Welcome back to Wise Wealth Wisdom. We believe that everyone has the potential to achieve great things, and our goal is to help you reach your full potential. The Great Depression is widely recognized as a challenging period, but it also taught invaluable lessons in frugality. By incorporating these cost-saving habits from that era, we can better prepare for tough times. Let's delve into these practical tips from the Great Depression to learn how to save more efficiently for the future. These habits offer practical, cost-effective solutions for managing resources and promoting sustainable living, which are increasingly important in times of financial uncertainty. To begin with, learning basic sewing skills is a cornerstone of frugality that can yield significant savings. During the Great Depression, people mended their own clothes to extend their lifespan and avoid the expense of buying new ones. By mastering simple stitches, you can repair minor rips and tears, reattach buttons, and even make small alterations. This skill requires only a few threads and needles, making it an accessible and valuable tool for anyone looking to reduce clothing expenses and promote sustainable fashion. Another timeless practice that has seen a resurgence is planting a mini garden. In the Great Depression, families grew their own food to reduce grocery bills and ensure a steady supply of fresh produce. Even with limited space, such as a windowsill or a small backyard, you can start with herbs and gradually expand to vegetables. This not only provides fresh ingredients for your meals, but also offers a rewarding and therapeutic activity. Patience is key, as the fruits of your labor may take time to grow, but the benefits of home gardening are well worth the effort. DIY cleaning products are another frugal habit making a comeback. During the Great Depression, people were inventive with their cleaning solutions, often using common household items. Today, mixtures like water and vinegar for cleaning sinks or baking soda and water for scrubbing surfaces can effectively replace expensive, chemical-laden cleaners. These homemade products are not only cost-effective, but also environmentally friendly, promoting a healthier living environment. Maximizing meat purchases by buying whole chickens instead of pre-cut pieces is a practice that remains economically wise. In the past, families made the most out of every part of the animal, ensuring nothing went to waste. By purchasing whole chickens, you can create multiple meals and use the bones to make flavorful broths, maximizing your investment. This approach reduces waste and enhances the nutritional value of your meals. Saving electricity is another straightforward yet impactful habit. Mindful use of electricity, such as turning off lights when not in use, setting timers on appliances, and unplugging devices that are not in use, can significantly reduce utility bills. These habits encourage a more sustainable lifestyle by conserving energy and reducing the overall carbon footprint. In a world where credit cards dominate, paying in cash is a powerful strategy to control spending. During the Great Depression, people survived without credit cards by paying for everything in cash. This method ensures that you only spend what you have, avoiding debt and fostering financial discipline. The physical act of paying with cash also provides a tangible sense of spending, making it easier to stick to a budget and avoid impulse purchases. Canning, a method widely used during the Great Depression, is another skill that is worth rediscovering. Canning allows you to preserve fruits, vegetables, and homemade sauces, extending their shelf life and reducing food waste. This method ensures that you always have a supply of nutritious food on hand, even when fresh produce is not available or is too expensive. Starting with simple recipes like pickles or salsa can make the process less intimidating and highly rewarding. The video also emphasizes the importance of utilizing kitchen scraps. During the Great Depression, nothing went to waste. Kitchen scraps like lemon peels can be repurposed as natural cleaning agents, while eggshells can be used in gardening to enrich the soil. This creative reuse of materials minimizes waste and maximizes the utility of every item in the kitchen, turning what would otherwise be trash into valuable resources. Conserving water is another essential practice highlighted in the video. Simple actions like fixing leaks, taking shorter showers, and washing full loads of dishes can make a significant difference in reducing water bills. Even placing a brick in the toilet tank to reduce water usage per flush can contribute to substantial savings. These small changes collectively have a large impact on conserving this precious resource. Foraging for wild edibles, a practice that helped families during the Great Depression, is reintroduced as a means to supplement diets with nutrient-rich, natural foods. Identifying and using wild plants like berries and greens can be both an economical and educational activity. It promotes self-sufficiency and provides access to a variety of foods that might otherwise be overlooked. Restoring furniture instead of buying new pieces is encouraged as a way to save money and reduce waste. DIY repairs and refurbishments can extend the life of furniture, adding a personal touch to home decor while conserving resources. There are numerous online tutorials and guides available to help you tackle these projects, making it a feasible and rewarding endeavor. Opting for reusable products over disposable ones is another frugal habit that benefits both the wallet and the environment. Reusable items, from kitchen cloths to shopping bags, reduce the need for constant replacements and contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. Investing in high-quality reusable items ensures they last for years, providing long-term savings and reducing environmental impact. Using every product to the last drop is a principle from the Great Depression that remains relevant. Techniques like tilting bottles to access remaining product or using specialized spatulas can help consumers get the most out of their purchases. This habit ensures that you maximize the value of every item you buy, reducing waste and stretching your budget further. Natural remedies for minor ailments, such as warm lemon water for throat irritation, are highlighted as cost-effective alternatives to over-the-counter medications. These time-tested remedies promote health without the added expense of pharmaceuticals, drawing on the wisdom of past generations to maintain wellness naturally and affordably. Lastly, the video underscores the importance of wise spending. Keeping track of expenses, prioritizing needs over wants, and spending money thoughtfully are lessons from the Great Depression that remain relevant. This mindful approach to finances helps individuals manage their resources better, ensuring they are prepared for economic uncertainties. By focusing on essential needs and limiting non-essential purchases, individuals can achieve greater financial stability and peace of mind. Overall, these Depression-era habits, from basic sewing skills to wise spending, offer timeless strategies for frugal living. By adopting these practices, individuals can navigate economic downturns with resilience, save money, and lead more sustainable lives. These habits not only provide practical benefits, but also foster a sense of self-reliance and community as people share knowledge and skills that have stood the test of time. Hope it helpful. See you in next video soon. Take care.